Hola jóvenes, ¿cómo están? Aquí tengo un video para ustedes sobre el capítulo 11, chapter 11. And today we're talking about los mandatos informales, los mandatos de tú. So these are commands that you'll use with your friends. When you want to tell your friend, hey, come on over and see me tonight, or call me up, or don't do that. Those are commands that you'll use. Up till now, we've learned formal commands, usted and ustedes, that you use with formal situations or with a group of people. This is for talking to your friend or someone that you know in your family. And they are a little more complicated. If you remember, the usted and ustedes commands was just the affirmative and the negative command were both the subjunctive. So if I said talk, I would say hable, and don't talk would be no hable. But here you'll see la forma afirmativa es la tercera persona singular del indicativo, the third person singular of the indicative. So that means the regular he, she form. So AR verbs are going to get an A, and ER, IR verbs are going to get an E. So if you want to talk to your dog and you say, hey, speak, you say habla. And if you're telling someone to write something, you say escribe, from the verb escribir. And if you're saying call, llama. Habla, escribe, llama. Pero la forma negativa es la segunda persona del subjuntivo. So the negative forms all use the subjunctive. So habla, no hables. Talk, don't talk. No hables, no escribas, don't write. No llames, no, don't call. So the negative forms are all the subjunctive. They get the opposite endings, and they all get an S on the end. And when it comes to sticking a pronoun on the end, these work the same way as the other the other commands. Los pronombres vienen conectados al final del mandato afirmativo y antes del mandato negativo, just like the usted and ustedes commands. So if you want to say talk to me to your friend, you say háblame. Don't talk to me, no me hables. Write to me, escríbeme. Don't write to me, or don't write it, no lo escribas. Call me, llámame. Don't call me, no me llames. The me comes in front of the verb, and in the affirmative it comes connected to the end. Now, so far so good. Pero también hay 8 verbos irregulares en el afirmativo. Decir goes to di, hacer haz, ir goes to be, poner pon, salir sal, ser se, tener ten, venir ven. Ahora estos son irregulares solamente en el afirmativo. En el negativo usamos el subjuntivo. We still use the subjunctive in the negative. They're only irregular in the affirmative. So, if you're talking with the verb decir, using the verb decir, excuse me, we have the verb decir di. So, di no digas, say, don't say, or tell, don't tell, di no digas. Digas is the subjunctive form, because the yo form is digo, subjunctive is digas. So if you're saying tell me, it's dime, and don't tell me, it's no me digas. And if it's tell him, dile, or tell her, dile. Don't tell her, no le digas. And if it was tell them, it would be diles. And don't tell them would be no les digas. What would tell us be? Dinos. Don't tell us. No nos digas. From the verb hacer, to do or to make, you get haz no hagas. Do, don't do. So do it is hazlo, hazlo, and don't do it is no lo hagas. Ve comes from the verb ir, to go. So go, don't go. Ve, no vayas. Now, one thing that's interesting, when you make ir reflexive, irse, it means not just to go, it means to go away. So the command of that is vete. Vete means go away. And don't go away, no te vayas. Vete, no te vayas. Go away, don't go away. Y los otros verbos irregulares son poner, to put. Pon, no pongas. Put, don't put. So if we're using that reflexively, for example, when I say put on your shoes, we say ponte los zapatos. Ponte los zapatos. And don't put them on. No te los pongas. No te los pongas. Don't put them on. Sal from salir, to leave, don't leave. Sal, no salgas. Sal de aquí means leave, get out of here. Sal de aquí. But no salgas sin tu teléfono. Don't leave without your phone. Se no seas, from the verb ser to be, so this means be, don't be. Be good, sé bueno, no seas malo. Sé bueno, no seas malo. Be good, don't be bad. Ten, no tengas. Ten cuidado means be careful. Because in Spanish they say to have care, right? So ten cuidado means literally have care, but we would say be careful. And don't be afraid. Don't have fear. No tengas miedo. Again, all these negative forms are just the subjunctive, the to form of the subjunctive. And to get the subjunctive, remember, you just go to the yo form and change the ending to the opposite. So pongo, pongas, salgo, salgas. This is irregular, seas, seas. Tengo, tengas, and vengo, vengas. Ven, no vengas, come, don't come. Ven aquí, that's how you say come here. Ven aquí, ven aquí. Come here, and don't come late. No vengas tarde. Well, here you have it. Those are your irregular mandatos informales. Bueno, los mandatos regulares y los irregulares. Hasta pronto.